What's up, guys? Today is Thursday. That means it's Snap-on Thursday. You know this truck's loaded. Let's take a look, see what Kevin's got. Let's do it. Well, I see we got some new boxes on here.
All trade-ins.
Wow, nothing wrong with a trade-in. Let's have fun and save a little money.
Yeah, try and get them out of my storage.
There you go. Like an old classic series, maybe, or is that a master series?
I think it's classic. Yeah.
Yeah. Matco, 2 Matco cars. Wow. Wouldn't expect to see that on here. Well, we got all kind of stuff up here. We got some more.
Yeah, I got
all
the
high-vis ones.
Yes. They look gold. They look real pretty.
I've seen the high-vis ones. They do look gold, don't they?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
So leave that one out because everybody keeps on. I got people taking them apart and changing up colors, or 2 guys in one shop will get them and they'll swap out. So they're.
I'll do backs and fronts.
Yep.
Those crate knives are cool too. Uh-oh. I'm dropping stuff. What is this? This is a.
That's just a sandstorm.
Oh, it's just it's in a case.
Oh.
Gotcha. Those are cool.
T12 steel blades, like your case knives. Got a real ball bearing for busting the glass.
That's nice.
Not just a pretend one like the other companies.
That one is cool. I dropped the paperwork out of there. I'll put that back.
That's just the stickers. All the cool stuff that goes along with it.
Still got that BOGO set, man. What's wrong with people? Why nobody buying that?
I think that one's standard, isn't it? Yep, standard. Some people...
Big truck guys need it.
That'd probably be new there.
Oh, high current battery clamp.
Bluetooth.
That's nice. Very nice.
A lot easier to read.
Some blue hammers.
Yeah.
Well, you must be having a special on the ratchets.
In both.
Uh-oh.
Regular.
Long one?
Yeah, extra long.
Long one or a short one? Those the 88 tooth?
80 tooth, yes.
Oh, 80 tooth.
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's right. It's dual 80. I forgot about that. 88 somebody else. Too many numbers to remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
I think I saw one the other day.
Good length right
120 tooth on something.
Yeah,
Can't remember what it was.
Got 122. It's not really 120 though. It's double Paul and they're counting that way. But I mean, it does click 120 times going around, so I guess that's what they look at.
As long as it makes sense to them, right?
You got rid of the big blue ratchet? It's gone.
Oh yeah, yeah. I got another one on the way. Trying to at least keep one of the long ones on. Had some used ones. They went quick.
Oh, I bet. Man, anything.
Traded in, and then I had it rebuilt.
That's the way to do it and save that money. Well, you got plenty of torches.
Yeah, that's Torch 300s. I guess that'll be the next promotion I'll have to run. I'm just about sold through all my 400s. Yeah, there's a little. Maybe more for your rear.
Is it a new one? Is it just a smaller size or something?
Well, this is for like the rear where they're a little bit tighter.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's offset. I see it. Yeah. I got to see the picture of it. It's holding up.
Well, I thought it would. There we go. Look at that.
Oh, you just got that tape for nothing, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see how it's made.
That way.
Oh, that is nice right there.
Switch it back around. But like your rear ones will be really tight in there.
Yep.
That allows you to get in there to it.
That is pretty cool, dude.
And of course, got the regular.
Right. Let me get the part number off that one there. Because somebody gonna need that.
Tell them remember how to open it. Don't cut the tape like I just did.
Imagine that box will get chunked. And nobody care about the box.
Got in a whole bunch of my air hammers. Well, in a few different colors. I still think that's the prettiest color.
Those jokers a hit right there, boy. That gunmetal is great. I love it.
Yeah, I do like it.
Orange.
I think 2 reds and green, blues, and all the others sold out.
Dang, you must have got a bunch of green ones. Them green ones usually sell out first, don't they?
And some stuff.
Not everything. Somebody was asking for a part number on something, and I can't remember. They left it in the comments. I don't remember who it was. I don't know the part number on. Oh, that swivel head ratchet that you showed back here.
Oh.
That's what.
I've seen all sorts of stuff on those. Man.
They done sold it.
I think I did.
It's sure hiding if it was in there. This is the one that's indexing, kind of.
Yeah, multi-position.
That's going to be a FL or FHL 80 MP. What that one is. This one.
So, there it is. Right-handed one.
FHN F100A. What's that? There you go. Now you know something. Now you know the part number. You don't have to guess no more.
Ooh.
You about sold out all your Blue Point stuff too, didn't you?
Yeah, that stuff goes pretty quick also.
Selling out everything.
That's good.
That's the way to do it though. I mean, you ain't riding around.
Well, I got to do inventory, so I've been trying. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to that. I'm going to try and do it this weekend.
So is it better, let me ask you this, for a guy that's buying tools, is it better to buy before inventory or after inventory? If he's
It don't matter. I'm going to give him the same deal either way.
I figured it might be a little cheaper before you had to count it, to have to get it off the truck.
It'll be same deal either way.
Same deal, different day.
I got to count it regardless.
Well,
but if someone, I've been telling a lot of folks, if they've been waiting, like, there might be a little bit more wiggle room if you get it before inventory.
Yeah.
But
it'll definitely be better with cash, wouldn't it?
Yes, cash is king.
That's the secret to buying on the Snap-on truck, guys. Know what you want and work out something with your dealer, and there you go. Bam. Everybody's happy. Can't beat it.
Well, definitely wait like for the packs. I'm really surprised I still got the packs on
promo
here.
pack, anything on the promo shelves is great, or the BOGOs. That's my thing. But I like.
And we're fixing to have some BOGOs. We had when we had our meeting. We're fixing to have some more BOGO stuff. Hopefully.
Good ones.
I'm thinking so. Like the wobble sockets and stuff like that. I know we had them when I first started, and I think this will be the first time we're doing them again since.
Sweet.
So there is going to be some stuff coming out here soon.
Looking forward to that. All right, guys. Well, thanks for hanging out with us today. Like always, hit that thumbs up. Check over for merchandise, cool tools, and discount codes down there in the description. If you're not subscribed, you take your finger and click that button. Y'all have a great week. See ya.